Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on Gmail app. To know how to fix or how to solve Forcestop on Gmail, here we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Gmail app and you can click here. Then you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.